Last time on Travelbug Adventures, we joined the annual sailing rally, the Baha Haha, from San Diego to Mexico. There were 3 stops along the way. The second stop was in Santa Maria, where we met up with our fleet, had a beach barbecue, grabbed some sunshine and beers, and things got a little rowdy. We set off on the last leg to Cabo, where we saw tons of turtles in the water, more than we could even keep count of. And we did some scientific experiments. So we're doing a scientific study right now to measure the amount of plankton in the water using a Secchi disc.
See if you raise it 5 feet, notice when it reappears, and you drop it again, notice when it dissipates, the average goes 3 meters.
We finally made it to Cabo, and after checking in, we anchored and got straight to business. And by business, I mean I took a shower on the deck in front of everyone in broad daylight. Of course, we went exploring. Checked out the arches, went for a swim, tried not to get run over by the crazy traffic, and even rocked up to this private beach, which I nicknamed Lover's Lane. This is the scene in Cabo at the moment.
Number 6 and number 7. Hail, abajo. Up, arriba.
Of course, we had to hit up Squid Row and party our faces off. When in Cabo, right? We just had to fend this boat off. It was touching us. And now it's basically on the rocks. And the owners weren't even home, they just got back. We're having a really strong northerly at the moment, and after our neighbors started drifting into the rocks, we started drifting into the rocks. Michael and Bob were on their boat because they weren't home. I had to perform an emergency extraction to get them back. We started motoring. Our neighbor had dropped his second anchor line in the water, a loose line in the water, which of course got wrapped around our prop and caused our engine to die. Michael had to dive below and remove it, but we're drifting in a really tight anchorage with really strong winds, and it was super dangerous. Rescuers, you guys were amazing today, both of you fucking rocked it. You handled the situation very well, I have to say. What's the camel's name? Lady Gaga. She's a superstar. We're riding Lady Gaga. Oh my god, I missed that one. That looks so good. Hi, check out this spread. Meet Rico. Rico Suave, that is. Yeah, salud. Join us next time as we get to take a special trip to the islands with my buddy Dave, explore the Sea of Cortez, and swim with the playful sea lions.